Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PayPal link. First, navigate to the PayPal Me section on the official PayPal website or mobile application. You can immediately claim your unique PayPal Me link, which is a personalized URL. This digital payment solution simplifies receiving money from friends, family, or customers, making transactions incredibly convenient and fast for everyone involved. It eliminates the need for sharing sensitive account numbers directly. After accessing the PayPal Me section, you will choose a custom identifier for your link. Aim for something professional and easy to recall, like PayPal Me/yourname or PayPal Me/yourbusiness. A personalized link builds trust and makes it much simpler for people to remember and use it when sending you money. This ensures you project a clear and professional image. Once your personalized link is active, sharing it is incredibly simple. Post it on your social media profiles, include it in emails, or even print it on business cards. For added convenience, you can easily add a specific amount to the link, like PayPal Me/yourname/$45. This directs people straight to a payment page with the requested amount already filled in, streamlining the process even further. When someone sends money through your PayPal Me link, the funds typically appear in your PayPal account within moments. You will receive an immediate notification confirming the transaction and its details. Access your account activity to view a complete history of all incoming payments, ensuring transparency and easy record keeping. Rest assured, all transactions are protected by PayPal's robust security measures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.